We come in the supermarket to buy cheese.
You get an empty pan.
So, when we come in the supermarket, we take up the cheese and we take up the cheese, look here. All of the pan them empty. All of them empty, see there? Empty. Empty because them say them a thief the cheese too much.
Empty pan.
So them put on all empty pans. So when you go to the cashier now, you tell them what size you want. See there? All of the pan are empty. All of the cheese pan are empty. I never see this from my barn.
Ready for thief cheese, not Christmas. Yeah. Nobody know that over there, man. The next one, yeah. Nobody don't know them. Somebody must know them by them shape or by them wig. Watch it. 1 case of cheese in less than a minute. One case of cheese. See, I look up in the camera there. Nobody know her. So see the next one here. 3 of them. Crook. One case of cheese. 1, 2, gone with. One, put it 16. Each one of them gone with 2 tin. 1 case. Right in the Wellington town here. Watch him. Watch him. 1 case. 1 case. Gone. Watch it.